In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a BDO virtual card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Acquiring and using a BDO virtual card is extremely simple. To start this process, visit the BDO website at bdo.com.ph, and when you arrive at this page, all that you have to do to properly acquire a virtual card so you can start using it anywhere that credit or debit cards are accepted as a payment method is to hover over Personal at the top, go into Cards, and then Credit Cards. Now, at the right side of the screen, under Tools and Services, you will find this option, More Cards to Choose From. Click on this and you will be redirected one more time to this page where you can discover additional BDO cards. The third option is going to be a virtual card. So as you can see, they have a brief description over here, and you can either click Learn More if you wish to acquire additional information on all of the benefits of getting a virtual card attached to your account, or alternatively, if you are satisfied and you just want to proceed to start using it, click Apply Now. This will redirect you to this page where you have to read all of this. These are just general guidelines that you should follow to protect your account, so I highly recommend that you take your time and read through this, and once you understand, click the option at the bottom. Okay, I understand. In this page, you can start filling out the form to acquire your BDO virtual card. So you will have to input details about a pre-existing account, so you can use your card number, date of birth, expiry date, and enter the CAPTCHA here, and you will be able to acquire a BDO card. The card is going to get attached to your account, and it works, like I said, just like any other credit or debit card. You will get the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can input those into a digital wallet like Google Wallet, Apple Wallet, or alternatively, just use the credentials whenever you make purchases online, anywhere that credit or debit cards are accepted. Input the card number, expiration date, and security code, and all the funds will be transferred over from your BDO account whenever you finish any transactions using the BDO virtual card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a BDO virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.